All right, so let's solve this problem. Now, when we look at this problem, we might think, oh, there are two parts, so we should use the product rule to find the derivative. And that would take a little bit too long. We could do that probably, but it would become very complicated as you imagine, and we can actually transform this function before. So we can use just normal foiling, right? First, outer, inner, last, in order to do this problem a little bit faster. So let's do that. So let's start x times x squared is x cubed, right? Negative 1 over x squared times x. So x times negative 1 over x is what? Negative 1 over x, right? X times negative 1 over x squared. And then we have 1 over x times x squared is x. And then we have the last one, which is 1 over x times negative 1 over x squared is going to be negative 1 over x cubed, right? And now we can find the derivative of this pretty easily just using the power rule. We have 4 terms, and it looks like with all of them we can simply use the power rule. So I'll first start by rewriting this so that these fractions disappear. Right, so these are equivalent. I just rewrote it so that we are getting ready to use the power rule, right? And then I'll just find the derivatives. So the derivative is equal to this. So I'm bringing down the exponent each time. Right? So this exponent came down 3x squared, and then negative 1 to the power of negative. So negative 1 times x to the power of negative 2, and then the derivative of x is just 1. And then here we have negative times negative is positive, 3x to the power of negative 4. And now if I want, I can rewrite this the same way. Right, and this is our final result.